Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Gmail account for school. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Gmail sign-up page. This is the starting point for creating a new Google account, which you can then use for school-related communication, assignments, and access to other Google services like Docs, Drive, and Classroom. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are on the official Google sign-in screen so you can continue safely and correctly. When you're on the sign-up page, click the Create Account option. This is the button that starts the account creation process. If you already have another Google account signed in on your device, Google may still show you the option to add a new one. Just continue by selecting Create Account so you can set up a separate email for school use. Next, choose the option that says For My Personal Use. Even if you plan to use this Gmail account mainly for school, this is the option shown in the process for creating a standard Gmail account. Selecting it will take you to the next screen, where Google asks for the basic information needed to create the account. From here, follow the on-screen procedure and fill out the information required to continue. Google will guide you through each field step by step. Make sure you enter your details carefully and review everything before moving on. It is especially helpful to choose a username that looks appropriate for school use and is easy for teachers or classmates to recognize. You will also be asked to create a password, so choose one that is strong but memorable. As you go, simply continue following the prompts shown on your screen until the setup is complete. Once everything is done, a QR code will be provided. At this stage, pay close attention to the instructions shown on the screen, since the QR code is part of the final setup process. In many cases, this is used for verification or for connecting additional security features to your account. If you are using another device, make sure it is ready so you can scan the code without delay. After that, your Gmail account setup should be nearly complete, and you can continue with whatever prompt Google gives you next. That's all for this guide on creating a Gmail account for school. Take your time during setup, double-check your information, and keep your login details stored securely for future use.